So this is the motor that came in. It's a 2018. It got bought at Bass Pro. It got turned back into Bass Pro. And from what we understand, it got sold to Bass Pro again, and the owner never ran it. And then that man bought it, and it's never run correctly for him. So we found some issues with the carburetor. That mark now is where it's supposed to be. Everything's set where it's supposed to be. It wasn't before. It wouldn't idle. So now the owner is going to show us it does. Go ahead and pop it in gear, give it a little gas. Cut it off, start it up. Is that what you want?
Happy customer.
Great.